Public health supports residents and families where you live, work, and play. When it comes to public health, some people may think of ensuring safe spas and salons, but there's so much more to it. So what else is public health? Public health is your right to know before you go. To ensure that your local personal service settings are following the proper ministry standards of cleaning, sterilization, and basic infection control practices, a public health inspector visits these service settings every year to perform a health inspection as part of the Durham Region Health Department's Know Before You Go disclosure program. These service settings can include tattoo and piercing studios, tanning salons, hairdressers, barbershops, aesthetic services, manicure and pedicure salons, and spas. If the business meets all the criteria of ministry standards, they are given a green pass sign to hang on their front door to let you know that their business is doing their part to offer you clean and safe services. If the business does not meet the criteria, they will not receive a green pass sign.
This is public health.
This is public health.
This is public health.
We are public health.